So I'm in a 2003 Toyota 4Runner, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first you open the hood, and then this would lead to the radiator, coolant in the top of your radiator, and then this would be the main reservoir that you add to. And on the sides you can see a full mark, and then below that would be low. So you want to make sure you've got coolant somewhere in this range. There's supposed to be some air gap, so don't fill it all the way to the top. And anytime you're working in this system, you want to make sure the vehicle's turned off and cool down, just because this liquid can get to a boil, and it's like a poisonous liquid as well, so you don't want a bunch of boiling liquid to shoot out onto you, especially if you open this cap, since the system all works under pressure. But typically you just have to add here. If the system got really low, you might need to add here as well. But for here, you just pop this open, and then straight from your coolant jug or with a funnel, just fill as needed. And you want to try to match the same type of coolant you have in here already, like the same color. But double check you've got the proper fluid. But once you fill it up to around the right level, just make sure this is closed and tight. And if you need to open this one at all, you'll just push down slightly and twist about 2 turns, and it'll pop right off, and you should see coolant right under this cap. And a double check too for any leaks through the system. So one way to do that is to turn the vehicle back on, and then check around the engine bay, around the reservoir, through the line, see if you have any coolant starting to puddle, around the radiator as well. And a way to tell that apart from, say, water condensation is it should have a slight coloration to it. It'll smell slightly sweet. And then you don't really want to touch coolant with your skin, but say you have a glove on and you feel it, it'll feel slightly more slick than what water would feel like. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.